Well, what a start to the day. I mean, found those squirrels in my kayak. They're in the back of the truck right now. You can probably see we're going over the bridge, fishing the Niagara River today for giant smallmouth. There's some massive fish in here. So I got the rods rigged up. We're gonna be throwing jigs, a couple drop shot minnows, and some different stuff. So you're gonna see, but man, if you haven't seen that squirrel video, go look at my latest video. Unbelievable. Let's go catch some big fish today. See that island up there? I'm gonna go right around it, fish on the edges, and then we'll fish kind of coming down. It's coming downstream, and it kind of converges to a point, and it gets shallow, all on that shallow bay. Those bass are getting ready to spawn, feed, pick up crayfish. They're kicking up the dirt, so we're gonna head there and catch them every year here. So we'll get some more today. I just got smoked. I almost lost the rod. Not even a big one. Hey, there you go. First New York bass of the year. That bass ate the perch colored jerkbait, and I wasn't doing anything crazy. As you saw, it was just kayaking. So still trying to get to my one spot, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna cast it out and kind of manually troll. If I'm on the water, I want to lure in the water. That's what I always say. Fun fact, first time I ever went muskie fishing in my entire life, ever. It's about 10 years ago. Caught a muskie on my first cast because I casted a huge, like 10-inch giant, like sucker fish, shiny looking crankbait, glide bait, whatever you want to call it, and kayaked out across the lake. And probably 7 minutes into my paddle, huge muskie, 40 inches, 45 inches, just crushed it. So muskie fishing, I was 1 for 1. The fish of 10,000 casts, I caught it, my first one ever. Let's get some more bass. Well, that's a fish. That's a nice fish. I thought that was snagged. Oh, we got a nice one on. At least a better one. I thought that was snagged at first. It's a little better. Yeah, it's a better one. Look at that. Beautiful cold spring bass on that goby looking drifter minnow. Look at that. That's what he ate. And I mean, look at that thing moving around on the drop shot. Really nice fish. Show you the exact bait. Look at that. It's these ones, these nut bait, little drifter minnow. 3.25 inches long on the drop shot. Crushes smallmouth. Let's get some more. Oh, jeez. Wait, this is a fish? I think this is a fish that got snagged. I have a nice bass on. Oh! That's a huge bass. Oh, it's a tank. Oh, it's a big one. drifter minnow. That's the one we're after. No scallop today, of course. Unreal. Wow. I mean, that's a 5 or a 6. Oh, that's a 5-pounder all day. Wow. And here you go. The big one that we've been after today. A guaranteed 5-pound smallmouth. Just a tank. Look how fat this thing is. A monster. I thought it was snagged. Got a little bit closer and realized it was a fish. I'll show you what it ate here. It ate the little drifter minnow right here on the drop shot. 3-inch little drifter right here. 3.25-inch drifter minnow bait. And just dragging it across the bottom. 14-pound line, halo rod, 7-foot medium heavy, loose KVD reel. I mean, you can't beat it. It's the best setup. And just smoking these smallmouth on it today. This is the biggest one so far. There are bigger ones out here. Let's get it back and get a bigger one. That's unreal. Let's get some more. Might as well throw 2 out for the last cast of the day. Let's see why that could really hurt anything. That's a fish. There we go. It'd be crazy if I doubled up here. Ooh! Stay down. That's a tank. This is a nice one. Ooh, boy. Just another toad. This one's on the tube. Look at that. The 2-rod combo. Man, that is a tank. Can't beat it. What a fish. Awesome. Well, what a day that was. Woke up this morning, planning on getting out to the river early. Found 4 baby squirrels inside this kayak. Got them cleaned out. Took the kayak to the river and pretty much caught 2 5-pound smallmouth and a bunch of others. So no day is ever the same when you're fishing. I'll see you on the next adventure.